Sunday, July 13th, 2025. 15th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Focus. So, who is my neighbor? Today's Gospel begins with the realization that we need to live life loving God and neighbor. Indeed, all three synoptic Gospels speak of the two greatest commandments, love for God and love for neighbor. But the lawyer persists in asking an obvious question. And Jesus replies with the touching parable of the Good Samaritan. For the priest and the Levite, temple service was clearly of great importance than serving the wounded traveler. However, the Samaritan felt compassion for the Jew. Even though Jews were staunch enemies of the Samaritans, he forgot about himself and was concerned only about the injured person. After rendering first aid, he took him to the inn and even underwrote all the expenses the innkeeper might incur for his treatment. In short, this was totally of service to the neighbor. Jesus thus illustrates the love of God and neighbor are intertwined. What an apt response to the lawyer's first question. What shall I do to inherit eternal life? Life becomes meaningful only when we extend a helping hand to those who are hurting, distressed, or in need of assistance. How do we see our resources? Are they only for our comfort? What is our attitude towards our needy neighbor? Jesus says that whatever we do to the one of the least, we do to him. Fruit, not by mere devotionalism, but by reaching out to my needy neighbor will I inherit eternal life.